In an India Today exclusive, a massive controversy has erupted over Delhi government's move to convert public utility buildings into offices for its MLAs. Accusing the AAP government of encroaching public facilities, the BJP has decided to take the matter with the Lieutenant Governor now. The AAP government has recently permitted the conversion of public utility buildings and community centres into assembly offices in several parts of Delhi. And this move has also triggered outrage among the locals, as Delhi government's decision has added to the crunch of space for public and social functions as well.
Why are the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs trying to grab the places meant for the very public they are supposed to serve for their own offices? India Today is in exclusive possession of an order by the government of Delhi in which the government has issued a notification for two community centres, one in the Burari constituency, the other in the Sangam Vihar constituency, to be utilised for the local MLAs as their offices. In one more notification, the government has asked the Social Welfare Department to close one gender resource centre in the Najafgarh constituency, that to be converted in the office for the local MLA. Now, the big question is, the government is backing its own MLAs in sort of grabbing these public spaces which are meant for the utilisation for the purpose of the locals of that area. Very interestingly, there has been another letter that has been written by the OSD to the PWD minister. He has asked the Director General of Prisons of Tihar Jail to vacate one office for the local MLA there too. The MLA that we are talking about is Jagdeep Singh. He is the MLA of the Harinagar constituency. He also is from the Aam Aadmi Party. And what the government wants is an office premises inside the Tihar prison. Interestingly, just about a couple of months back, the Aam Aadmi Party, as soon as it came to the power, it had asked all the MLAs to look for office spaces which the government would be providing expenses for. Sanjeev Jha is the MLA from the Burari constituency, and as I said, he is the one who had asked for the community centre to be converted into his office. Last year, same Sanjeev Jha wrote a letter to the executive engineer saying that this community centre is for 5 lakh people in his constituency. So what has changed his stance over the year? And the government should answer why these public spaces are now being utilised by the local MLAs from the Aam Aadmi Party.
विरोध जब तक ये बारात घर ये ऑर्डर जो उन्होंने किया हुआ है निरस्त नहीं हो जाता है, हमारा विरोध जारी रहेगा। यहाँ किसी भी सूरत में विधायक का कार्यालय नहीं बनने दिया जाएगा, क्योंकि एकमात्र बारात घर यहाँ क्षेत्र में मौजूद है। हमने ये फैसला किया है कि हमारे लोग यहाँ थोड़ी बहुत संख्या में हमेशा मौजूद रहेंगे।
हाँ,
कारण यही है कि वो हमारे पीछे से आकर के इस पे कब्जा न कर लें ताला तोड़ कर।
कौन?
विधायक और उसके
MLA ने यहाँ से हमारी कोई सुनवाई ना करके और ऊपर कार्रवाई की गई। हमने SDM को लेटर लगाया और वीडियो को लगाया और हम गोपाल राय जी के पास गए, तो हम इसके बिल्कुल विरोध में हैं और ये पंचायत घर बिल्कुल MLA के अंडर में बिल्कुल नहीं खुलने देंगे। इसके लिए हम पूरा प्रदर्शन करेंगे। अगर MLA चाहे तो हमारे हैंड ओवर कर देगा।